Kiinteistö osakeyhtiö Karju Salpa.
This is very amazing. Today on the 27th of October 2022. And we have, what's the address again? Kirstinharju or...
14, yeah.
Yes, Kirstinharju 14. Kirstiåsen. And this is the stake Espoo. We filmed the stake as I see here before. Well, I'm not sure if the C was a good video or not, but if it's the same code, we can do it quickly. But we're filming this one now. The capacity is 20 grams. It was built in the beginning of 1971. To 50 years old in 2021, and possibly the last one with MP6 pictures in Suvela, Södrik, close to Espoo, Espoo Centrum. But that we're filming.
Yeah.
The server is H25182, and the alarm button is in Swedish and Finnish, but the stop button could have also been.
Yeah.
And this one is Swedish and Finnish, as it should be, and it will be inspected in the next year, 2022. This has 2 rides. And I really love this beautiful light blue color in here.
Yeah.
And the smell and the sounds.
Iskuttiin kiva iskuttaa, että me eteenpäin sillä.
Well, that's it, and thank you very much for watching. You can watch the steps as ANC here as well.
That's